These are barn cats at Spirit Keeper Animal Sanctuary. We love our barn cats. They do a great job at rodent eradication and other pest control, and they are welcome to live in our barn, and they seem to be thriving. Now let's go inside to behavior education at Spirit Keeper Animal Sanctuary, where we house our snakes and our dogs. And yes, we do have a couple of cats. Now these are some of my corn snake enclosures. This is one of my corn snakes, Tuvok. The other day when I was cleaning these corn snake enclosures and luckily had the corn snake out of the enclosure, this is what I found in the enclosure instead. A nice clean enclosure with a cat in it. Not really convenient, not really helpful, made a huge mess. Oh, Lala, you need to get out of there. You are making a huge mess. Come on, out. Out. Come out of there right now. Come on.